Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got another unboxing for you, and this time it's a Fabfitfun, and this is what the gorgeous box looks like. This is their winter box. It's huge. It's huge. It's really, really pretty. So as always, if you know everything there is to know about Fabfitfun, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. But if you don't know anything about it and you want to know, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. So Fabfitfun is a quarterly subscription box. They're based in the US and they started shipping to the UK a couple of boxes ago. As soon as I found out that they were coming to the UK, I was really excited and I subscribed straight away. Now the cost of the box is $49.99 and it's free shipping within the US. For the UK there's $10 shipping on top, plus you pay VAT as well. So for 4 boxes a year, they bring them out quarterly. In the UK that works out to be around £55, and that's including the cost of the box, the shipping and the VAT as well. There is no custom charges, which is brilliant. So that is the sort of price that you'd pay for it. So you can opt for a quarterly subscription, so you just sign up for a quarterly subscription and that means you can cancel any time, or you can opt for a yearly subscription, which is what I've done. So a couple of weeks before the box is due to be sent out to you, you will receive an email asking you to customize your box. So you have the option to choose a couple of products that are inside your box. Now because I'm a yearly subscriber, I get to do that a little bit early, and I think I get to choose 2 extra items. So once you receive an email, you'll see all the products that you get to choose. So customization 1, and it'll be a couple of products, you click that, then customization number 2, you click that, and so on. So you get to choose the products you want, you get to see what they're like, and you can also have the chance as well to have a little bit of background information if you want to go and research the products before you decide on what ones you want. If you were to sign up for a box by box subscription, when you first sign up to the very first box that you'll receive, you will have access to early customization. So you are able to choose your products a little bit earlier than what you'd normally do. The box after that, then you will have customization a little while after the yearly subscribers have it. So hope I'm making sense. I hope I'm making sense. So as well as receiving your box and customizing your box, you've got the option to join an online community, and also they've got an online shop as well. So there's constantly things on their website that you're able to purchase at a discounted price. Now just before customization starts, they bring out what is known as add-ons. So it's an add-on sale full of beauty products at discounted prices, which if you can go through and you can add them to your basket, and then you charge when your box is due to be sent out to you, and then you get your add-on items with your box. They also bring out another type of sale, which is after we've received our boxes, like a couple of weeks after. I think it's called the edit sale. So similar sort of process, you get to choose. They do bundles, which is quite good, like hats, scarves and things, so you're able to get bundles, but there's lots of things in there. I absolutely love this subscription. I get so excited. When this box came earlier on, I was like, oh, I've got to film it now. But I've got to admit, last box wasn't a fan of. I loved the 2 previous boxes, but the fall box I wasn't a fan of, and there were some issues there because I customized my box and I chose some items. I chose some straighteners, I chose this teeth whitening kit and something else, I believe. But I had an email to say, sorry, I can't have them. Whether that's because I'm in the UK or something, I'm not too sure, but I had to choose other items. And the other items weren't as exciting, unfortunately. But I am really, really, really excited about this one. I think this one is going to be my favourite. I think so, because obviously I can remember what I've chosen, and I've chosen some really lovely things. So I know I'm a little bit excited and blabbing on. So I'm going to stop now. If I've missed any information out, please ask away. And all links and everything related to this box. And they've got a deal on at the moment, actually. I've got a refer a friend code. If you're welcome to use it, you don't have to. But they have got a deal on at the moment. I think it's until the end of November. Say if you fancy taking out a subscription and you fancy getting your hands on a winter box, then you'll also receive a free box of things. I don't know what's in it, a mystery box, and the value is $150. Enough of the chat, let's get into unboxing it. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I always say this, they have fab box designs. That's what it looks like there. Got a little booklet. I'll show you what I got inside. Right then, I'll quickly show you. So this is what the products on offer inside the winter box are. I know you're probably not going to be able to see that properly. There, on this page as well. There you go. So the first item is really heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy, but it's a throw. It's a furry throw. Let me open it up and show you. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my word, that is so soft. That is so soft. Unhide for love, not fur. That's what it looks like there, look. So does it say the size? It's 50 by 60. 50 by 60. I'm assuming that's inches. There. Oh, this is good. Oh, it's huge. It is huge. Yes. Really lovely. I'd say it's the size of a single bed. Oh, that is so, so lovely. It is so, so soft. Oh, I'm chuffed. And it's quite heavy. It is really heavy. Stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket, and the recommended retail price is $65. So yeah, no, really happy with that. And to go with it, I got some slippers. Now these came in sizes, so I went to for size medium to large. I'm a UK size 8. These are so, so nice. They're by PJ Salvage. And it says, live life cozy. They are gorgeous. They're like a grey crochet here. And they got this gorgeous fur then inside. Oh, that is so nice. That is so, so nice. Nice and easy to put on and off, isn't it? Oh, wow, wow, wow. I always treat myself to a new pair of slippers every single year. So no, I've got these now. Oh, they're gorgeous. Keep your feet extra cozy and supported in these comfy slippers. The recommended retail price for these are $45. So there's those. Next we've got some makeup, and this is, I've never heard of it before, Beauty Bakery, and it's a Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette, and that's what it looks like there. They're lovely shades, aren't they? Really, really nice. Ooh, that rice pudding looks like a nice base colour. I've got a thing for base colours. Oh, yes, 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 yes. And this one, warm cocoa down the bottom there. Oh, yeah, no, lovely. Really nice. Ooh, in this chia pudding. What's that? Oh, wow. Look. Oh, that's a nice palette. Really, really nice. No. I'm glad I went for that. Effortlessly create day to night looks with 5 matte and 4 shimmer shades. Plus the palette is hard pressed for minimal fallout. And the recommended retail price for this is $38. So there's that. Then I got something which I've never tried before, but always wanted to. This is Colour Switch, and it's an instant brush cleaner, and it instantly removes makeup from brushes. So dry cleaner, instantly clean and reusable, and it's by Vera Mona. I'll just get that out and see what it's like. So it just says, glide makeup brush against the Colour Switch sponge in a circular motion to remove colour. No liquid or cleaner needed. Colour Switch is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water. Lay flat to dry. That is bonkers, isn't it? Oh my god! It just feels like a Brillo pad. That is so strange. That is so, so strange. Oh, I can't wait to give that a go. Have you used one of these? If so, please let me know. Easily switch between your favourite shades while applying makeup with this instant brush cleaner. No water or liquids required. And to buy it, it will cost you $16.99. So that. Next I've got some lashes, and these are by Baddington Lashes. There's a little box there. It's quite smart. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, they are really, really pretty. They're quite fine. I really like that. They are quite fine here, so it means that they're easier to apply if I'm not wearing liquid eyeliner, for instance. So they're easier to blend in with your lashes. But no, they're beautiful. I have to trim them, as I always do. They are a little bit long, but that's fine. And they've got some glue there as well. And it says made from 100% synthetic silk. And this is Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. So I love the little box, love that. The bolder the lashes, the better. These lashes provide length and dramatic volume for up to 25 uses. And these will cost you $32. Whoa, gosh, that's the most expensive pair of lashes I've ever had. So there's that. Next I got a product that I think I didn't choose, so maybe it was like an added extra or a mystery. I can't remember. You have got the option to put in a mystery if you're not sure what to get, or if you want to get like a mystery selections or something different other than what you can see. But yeah, this is a Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Formulated biotin, vitamin B and C and UV blockers. This lightweight detangler protects hair from heat and preps hair from optimal performance of styling products. Oh, I always use heat protection sprays. Don't necessarily need a detangler. My hair is dead straight and it's very thin and fine. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see what it's like, to see if it's quite lightweight. Well, it says it is, doesn't it? Lightweight detangler. But I am happy to try it, to give it a go. This lightweight detangler uses blah, 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 and I've just told you all that. And it's a Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And the recommended retail price is $23. So there's that. So this is another product that I'm not familiar with. It's a Yoga, a calm and clean Epsom salt hand and body wash, and it's daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. Oh, it sounds gorgeous though. 236 mils, and this is by Cuscio Somatology. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but the bottle is lovely as well, isn't it? It's really nice. Let's smell it. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. No, it smells nice anyway, so I'll pop that down in the bathroom later. Whoa, it's quite pricey. It says, calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, provitamin B12 and shea butter. Recommended retail price is $39.95. Oh, gosh. Woo! Gosh, that nearly went then. Oh my gosh, got it in time. So there's that item there. And then lastly, I finally got one of these. It's the original makeup eraser. Always wanted to try one of these. I've tried loads of ones like it and I love them. Oh my gosh, that is huge. Look how big that is. Wow. Bye bye makeup wipes forever. But yeah, you just damp it down with water and it just removes all your makeup. Even mascara. They are brilliant. They feel so soft. They are really lovely. I'm assuming it's going to be the same as the others, in all honesty. I don't think there's going to be much difference in quality. I might be surprised. I'm liking the fact that it's so big. It's really massive. So is there any extra information about it here? From waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water, and the recommended retail price is $20. So that's that. So that's all my items. I am super chuffed with them. Really chuffed. I'm looking everywhere. They're all dotted around. That throw. Oh, it's so lovely, and the slippers as well, and I can't remember the eyeshadow palette, the lashes. Oh, I can't think. Yeah, I think this is definitely my favourite box yet anyway. So I'm going to add them all up and then I'll come back to you. The value of all my products comes to a whopping $262, which is massive, isn't it? It's just massive. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Fabfitfun? If you have you chosen similar products to me? Or if not, what other products did you choose? I'd love to know. Or is this a box not for you? It doesn't take your fancy, and yeah, you will never subscribe. So all your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.